Parental control apps promise total peace of mind. But when it comes down to Bark versus Qustodio, which one really delivers? On the left, the AI-powered safety guardian, Bark, and on the right, the comprehensive control center, Qustodio. Let's skip the marketing hype and see what really matters for families in 2025. We'll score both apps in every category. So by the end, you'll know exactly which platform takes the lead. Stay tuned. The winner may surprise you. So, here's the game plan. We're going to break this showdown down by pricing, social media monitoring, screen time management, web and content filtering, location and geofencing, emergency features, alerts, and overall protection features. Yeah, buckle up. It's going to be thorough. All right, let's kick things off with pricing. Bark is clearly coming in hot with a more affordable starting price at $5 per month. And you ready for this? Unlimited devices on any plan. Oh, and you get a 7-day free trial. Not bad at all. But just so you know, there's no money-back guarantee. And forget about trying it for free longer term. Now, Qustodio is a little pricier, starting at $4.58 a month, but only for one device. And yeah, device limits can get annoying if you've got a big family. But hey, they do offer a free version, a 3-day free trial, and a solid 30-day money-back guarantee. Not bad if you want that exit strategy. Just saying. For price, Bark totally takes this one. You get more for less. Easy win. Okay, now, social media monitoring. Honestly, this is where Bark flexes hard. It can monitor over 30 social media platforms. That's wild. And it's not just basic stuff. We're talking AI-powered content analysis and even email monitoring. The only downside is older teens might feel kind of creeped out by it. But hey, safety first. On the flip side, Qustodio is mostly about blocking websites and apps. No direct social media monitoring and definitely no email scanning. It's all very surface level. So if social media is your battle zone, Bark is your champ here, hands down. All right, screen time management is next. Bark has your typical scheduling and basic time limits set up, which works if you want something simple. But honestly, if you like tweaking every little detail, it's not super granular. Now, Qustodio, oh, they went all out. You can set detailed daily limits, control by specific apps, and there's an entire timeline that tracks what's happening when. Very cool, but can feel a bit complex for the average parent. Overall, Qustodio totally wins on screen time. More control, more customization, just more everything. Oh, and here's something cool. Did you know Bark actually monitors over 30 social media platforms? Meanwhile, Qustodio's all about locking down the whole device. Two very different approaches. Let's talk web and content filtering. Bark is more about sending you alerts. It's like, hey, here's something sketchy, instead of actually blocking. There's an option for a whole home Wi-Fi filter, which is cool, but still, it's an alert-first kind of deal. Qustodio, though, is much more proactive. You get extensive category-based filters. You can make your own block lists and really put up those internet walls. The trade-off? It takes a bit more setup. Point for Qustodio here. It really locks things down. Next up, location and geofencing. Bark stays basic here. You get regular location tracking, but that's basically it. No geofencing at all. If you want those automatic your kid left school alerts, look elsewhere. And Qustodio, this is where they get fancy. Robust tracking, geofencing with real-time alerts, and you can even see location history. The only catch? All this GPS action can drain your kid's battery faster. Still, Qustodio is the obvious winner. Way more features in this category. Let's hit emergency features. Bark uses its content monitoring to flag SOS situations, mentioned in texts or social media. It's pretty clever, but doesn't have a dedicated panic button. Qustodio, on the other hand, has a full-blown panic button feature. If your child taps it, you get instant notifications and real-time tracking. Downside is, your kid has to actually remember to use it. But honestly, that's still way better than nothing. So yep, Qustodio wins in emergencies. For alerts and monitoring, Bark's AI goes deep. Cyberbullying, predators, custom keyword alerts, you name it. Sometimes it can give false alarms, which is a pain. But I'd rather get too many alerts than miss the big ones. Qustodio gives a solid activity timeline and custom notifications, but its threat detection doesn't get into the AI territory. So, Bark actually edges out here for smarter, more proactive alerts. Protection features. Bark aims for complete monitoring and even sells their own phone, which is kind of wild. But there's no uninstall protection, which is annoying if you have a sneaky kid. Qustodio locks down hard. Uninstall protection, remote lock, and the ability to pause the internet. It can feel a bit too strict, but hey, if your goal is maximum control, this setup's got your back. Qustodio's got the edge here. So when you lay out all these categories side by side, Bark absolutely shines for parents worried about dangerous content, social media, and pricing. But if you want to be that parent who controls literally every aspect, from screen time to location, Qustodio's comprehensive style wins in most practical categories. So here's my honest take. Go for Bark if what keeps you up at night is all the stuff happening on social media. Plus, it's budget-friendly and uses some impressive AI to look for real threats. But if you want to manage every minute, know exactly where your kid is, and be ready for emergencies, Qustodio is the control freak's dream come true. For overall safety and flexibility, Bark takes social media and alerting, but Qustodio wins in tech lockdown and emergency features. If you want to support our channel, feel free to use our affiliate link given in video description. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in my next